Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a little bit since my last video. I've been trying to get my life just on track and it's been quite a struggle bus for me, but I am trying to, keep things steady again. For this last month, I just stopped being active because of school ending and just focusing on work and spending family time with my family. So now, and if you can hear Oliver in the background, he's just right here, so that's why he's making a little noise. But for today's video, I wanted to do something simple, just kind of ease us back into the filming process. So I have started getting BoxyCharms again since I moved back, and I haven't done an unboxing, so I'm going to be unboxing this month and last month's box. But the thing is, Oliver, my son, he actually messed up the boxes, so he took out the products and kind of just put them all together in one box, so I'm not sure which products are from what month. Let's just get started. Here is the box that it normally comes in. It's normally just a black box like this. This is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette, and it looks like they're all shimmers. We're gonna swatch this orange one. It's speaking to me. Let's see. I think my lights are too bright, but oh, it doesn't look that bad. I feel like you can totally use this as a highlighter too. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like it. So the second thing that I have in here is a matte lip gloss. It's like I would say like a mauve color. Oh, it smells like those smokers. No, it smells like those roll-on lip glosses from back in the day. That's exactly what it smells like. The roll-on lip glosses from back in the day. Okay, yeah, I can work with this. It's a nice Kylie Jenner mauve color. It's not bad. This is something I would wear. I got the Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and you know me, I love my highlighters, and I've been really into the liquid highlighters lately. So let's open this one up, and it's in the shade Exposed. So modern. I'm just gonna apply some right here. Look at that, just a little tiny amount. Oh, I love that. Can you guys see it? So beautiful. Look at it on my finger. Comparison. Oh, it's so pretty. So here is the palette. Ooh, this is really pretty. Okay, so here's the two contour shades, and here's the two highlighter shades. And I think I'm just gonna swatch the dark shade. A little swatchy swatch. I'm gonna try swatching this top one, just right below. The highlighters are definitely better. Maybe it's just because I need to add a little more, but this is the contour shade. I feel like it's not really picking up on camera. I'm gonna try the other contour shade right below this. I don't know. So the next product is a high definition liquid lipstick. I really like this packaging. It's similar to the other one that I got from Beauty Creations, and this one doesn't have a shade name, but the bottles are pretty similar, and the color is more like a orangey nude type color. There it is right there. Oh my gosh, should I get something on me? I don't know why these lipsticks been having scents. I don't really have any. It actually looks more like a light brown out. I don't know what the smell is. Maybe cinnamon? I'm just gonna put it on the top of my hand here. Okay, so the consistency is very creamy. It's like a high definition liquid lipstick. Okay, for me, The consistency is kind of like a sticky lip gloss, and it's the top color right here. You see that shine to it? It's kind of like a sticky lip gloss. I don't necessarily think it's like a liquid lipstick. So my next product is this Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask from Dr. Brandt. And I believe this was last month's box. But I've heard a lot of raves about this, which, like I said, I try not to watch unboxings, but I did see somebody posted stuff on Instagram, I believe, and they said they really liked it. So the next thing is this Cover FX Blurring Primer, which I'm really excited to try. And like I said, I wanted to wait to show you guys before I try it. This is how it looks like. It's just their blurring primer. And it says it's supposed to instantly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless base. So this next product was really interesting to me. I didn't open it yet, but I really thought the packaging was interesting. So I'm really excited to what it may be. Okay, so this is a black gel eyeliner, and this is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. And the packaging is to die for. Like, it's so pretty. So here it is up close. As you can see, it has like a feather right here going all around. And it just, I don't know, reminds me of like back in the olden days, you know? I haven't looked at it yet, but... Oh, okay, so it's like... So I don't know if you guys can see, but the product is like really deep in there. Like if I stick my finger in there, like my finger's in there all the way. And then I finally touch the product. But yeah, it's pretty deep in there. I would say it's like right there. The next thing is from The Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. And it's this Insta Tint Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. And I'm really skeptical about using stuff that has microfibers in it. So I don't know if I'll be using this. Maybe I'll give it to my sister or something. But it's basically supposed to be a brow gel. And this is how it looks. It just looks like an eyeliner. I mean, brow gel, it just basically has a mascara wand, and then, you know, you brush it to tame your brow hairs. But like I said, I'm really skeptical when it comes to microfiber stuff, so I might not even use this, but it's really pretty. So the last thing that I have are a couple of brushes, and this brush is from Aesthetica. It's the P12 brush. How it looks like a powder brush. Definitely something I could use to wipe away my foundation after I get done setting my face. So it looks, you know, just like the perfect shape. Not too thick, not too thin. It's just perfect to just wipe away some baking powder, you know. And then last but not least, also from Aesthetica, we have some eye brushes. An angled black brush. Love the simple packaging. And then next is my favorite. We have a spoolie, which I love using on my clients and on myself. And then last but not least, it looks like, I don't know, like, is this a lip brush or an eyeliner brush? I guess you could use it for either or. Makeup is what you make of it. So that's the eyeliner or lip brush. Alright guys, so that's all for my BoxyCharm compilation haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see more unboxings like this, definitely let me know in the comments below, or like this video to let me know as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to my social media links. I will have it listed all down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.